Hello children. Children, we saw how to compare numbers, how to find out greater number, how to find out smaller number. Today, in this period, we are going to see how to write the numbers in ascending and descending order. First, we will see the objectives to enable students to order the numbers. Second, to enable them to arrange the numbers in ascending and descending order. Today we are going to see how to arrange the numbers in ascending and descending orders. Now first, here I would like to show you one activity. Here some things or some boxes are with me. Now I am going to arrange these as per their height from smaller to bigger. So if we see, then which one is small? This one. So this is here, then this, and then this. So I arrange this number as per their height from smaller to bigger, or this side we can say from bigger to smaller. From here smaller to bigger, and from here bigger to smaller. Now after arranging this, see this, if I say I arrange this from smaller to bigger, it means it is ascending order. And if I say I arrange this from bigger to smaller, it is descending order. So first we will see what is mean by ascending order, and then we will see what is mean by descending order. Now with this only I will tell. Ascending means smaller to bigger or smaller to larger. Ascending means smaller to bigger or smaller to larger. It is in number from 0 to 9. If we arrange the number from 0 to 9, then that is ascending order. And descending means larger to smaller or bigger to smaller. So in the number form from 9 to 0 is a descending order. Now here we will see one example. Number 4, 6, number. Here are these three numbers, 3 digit, 4, 6 and 1. If I arrange this number as smaller to bigger, then it becomes 1, because 1 is small in this number. Then 4 will come, and then 6. So 1, 4, 6, it is in ascending order. If I arrange this as 6, 4, 1, it means from bigger to smaller, so it is in descending order. Now we will see another example. First number is 27, then 35 and then 89. Now this is 2 digit number. We have to arrange these numbers in ascending and descending order. So for this we need to see the place value of each digit, ones place and tens place. So here ones place 7, here 5, here is 9. So by comparing this we have to find out. So first we will see the tens place. Here is 8, here is 3, here is 5, 8, 2. So which one is small? 2 is small in this. So here 27, then after that 35, and after that 89. So I arrange this number from smaller to bigger. It is in ascending order. If I arrange this from bigger to smaller, then here it will come 89, 35 and 27. So it is in descending order. See the next number 354, 415 and 390. Now these three numbers are here. We have to arrange this number in ascending and descending order. So first see which number is there on ones and tens and hundreds place. So we need to see the hundred place. Here is 3, here is 4, here is also 3. So now from both this number we need to see the tens place. Here is 5 and here is 9. So 5 is smaller than 9. So the first number will come 354. Then next is 390, and here the hundreds place 4 is there, so this number is big, so 415. So these numbers are we written from smaller to bigger, so it is in ascending order, and from this side 415, 390, 354, it is in descending order. Here I have some cards, these number cards. So by using this we will do here one activity. Okay. So first we will take only 4 cards. Now we have to arrange these numbers in ascending and descending order. So first we need to read the numbers. This is 819, 389, 768, and this is 361. So see the hundreds value, or which number is there hundreds place. Here is 8, here is 3, here is 7, here is also 3. So these two numbers are bigger. From these two numbers we need to see the tens place. Here is 8 and here is 6. So 6 is small than 8. So this number will come first. Then this number will come. After this, here is 7, here is 8. So 7 is small than 8. So here will come 7, and last here it will come 9. So first number is 361, next is 389, next is 368, and after that 819. This is from smaller to bigger. It means it is in ascending order, and if we see from this side, it is from bigger to smaller, so it is in descending order. Again one more example we will see. Now see these 4 cards. Here is 414, here is 354, next is 361, and the fourth number is 819. So see the hundreds place. Here is 4, here is 3, here is also 3, and here is 8. So from these two we will compare the tens place. Here is 6 and here is 5. So yes, 5 is small than 6. So this number will come first. After this number will come. Then here is 4, here is 8 in hundreds place. So 4 is small than 8. So here will come 4, this, and then at the last this number. So I arrange this number from smaller to bigger, means 354, 361, 414, 819. So it is from smaller to bigger. It means it is in ascending order, and from this side, from bigger to smaller, it is in descending order. Now children, open page number 35 of your maths textbook. See, this is, here is question number 1. Put the following letters in the correct letter box according to the number range. One example has been done for you. These are the letters here and these are the letter box. So we have to put this letter in the letter box. So before that we will read the numbers from this letter. Here is 750, 350, 499, 510, 999, 810, 663, 366, 484 and the last is 845. Now how can we arrange this? Here something is given. This is less than 500. In this letter box we have to put the numbers which are less than 500. And in this letter box here more than 500 means we have to put the numbers which are bigger or more than 500. So one example is given, it means 750. 750 is more than 500. So here we need to put this letter in this letter box. The next is 350. So 350 is less than 500 or more than 500? Yes, it is less than 500. So this letter will go in this letter box. So as per this you have to complete this question. Now see second question. Here arrange the following numbers in ascending order. One, here I will do one. See question number 2. Arrange the number in ascending order. 1 is there, 354, then 440, then 361, 389 and the last number is 144. Now we have to arrange this number in ascending order only. So for this, see value of each digit. Here is 3, here is 4, here is 3, 3 and here is 1. So yes, 1 is small in all these. So 144 will come. Then here is 354, here is 361 and this is 389. So now we need to see the tens place of these three numbers. Here is 5, here is 6, here is 8. So from this 5, 6, 8, 5 is small. So this number will come here 354. Then this number will come 361 and then this number will come 389 and here hundreds place 4 is there. So at the last this 414 will come. So we arrange this number in ascending order. One more example. Again I am writing some numbers. Two hundred 85, 286, 582. Now we have to arrange this number in ascending order. So see the tens place, hundreds place. Here is 2, here is 2, here is 5. So this in both these number hundreds place 2 is there. So we need to see the tens place. So here is 8 and here is also 8. If both the places the same number is there at hundreds and tens place, then we need to see the ones place. So here is 5 and here is 6. So 5 is smaller than 6. So 285 is smaller than 286 will come and then 582. So 285, 286 and 582. We arrange this number in ascending order. Now children, see question number 3. Question number 3 is arrange the numbers in descending order. Okay. So the first one is 440, then 500, then 490 and then 439. We have to arrange these numbers in descending order. So for this we have to arrange this from bigger to smaller. So which number is bigger? Now without telling also you can also find out which number is bigger. Yes, 500 is big number. Then now here hundreds place 4, 4, 4. So it is quite difficult. So see the tens place. Here is 4, here is 9, here is 3. Okay. So 3 is small. So which will come here? 4, 9 or 3? We are arranging number in descending order. Descending means from bigger to smaller. So which one will come? Yes, 490, because 9 tens place 9 is big number. So here will come 490. Then see, this 4 is big or 3 is big? 4 is big. So here will come 440. And then at the last it will come 439. So we arrange this number from bigger to smaller. It means we arrange these in descending order. We will see one more example. $729, 830 and 700. We have to arrange this number in descending order. Descending means again from bigger to smaller. So this first see the hundreds place. Here is 7, here is 8, here is also 7. So yes, 8 is big number. So first we will write here 830. Then we need to see the tens place. Here is 2, here is 0. So 2 is big than 0. So here will come 729 and then at the last 700. So 830, 729 and then 700. We arrange these numbers in descending order.